Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to export into another file like CAD, PDF or JPEG. So if you want to export in Shift Architect, you can select for the view, like example I will use this plan view. Click file menu, go to export, and then you can see there are a lot of options. You can export to PDF, CAD, or you can export into JPEG. So ini I will export into the DW with the current view. You can click this option, and we'll be sure for the export drawings option. You can set for the compatible version in here, and also for the layer and scaling all units. Okay, in default will be set into millimeter. After it, you can click export. And you can open your folder. Now you can save the file names and you can click save to export your drawing. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to export. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.